Back in my day, we wrote programs in C on terminals. No fancy editors, no autocomplete, just pure logic. If the code didn't work, we fixed it ourselves, one pointer at a time.
That's cute. I build apps with VS Code, GitHub Copilot, and sometimes even ask ChatGPT for help. I call that efficient programming.
Efficient? You rely on AI like it's a crutch. We mastered the fundamentals, memory, registers, the whole machine.
And I master speed and productivity. Why reinvent the wheel when frameworks, libraries, and automation exist? We solve problems today, not in the 1980s.
Speed without understanding is dangerous. You can deploy in minutes, but you won't know why it crashes.
Maybe, but at least I can ship working code fast. We live in a world that rewards results, not just principles.
Principles matter more than results. A coder who doesn't understand the machine is like a sailor without a compass.
And a coder who ignores modern tools is like a sailor rowing with a spoon while the ship is on autopilot.
Maybe we just measure success differently.
Exactly. And maybe we'll never agree on which approach is better.
That seems likely.
Yeah, and that's okay. Some battles aren't meant to be settled.
Fine by me. But next time, don't blame me when your fancy AI misinterprets a pointer.
And don't blame me when your ancient loops take 3 hours to finish a task.
I hope I don't see you again.
Did you think I like it?